Hey, what's up guys, Super Players aka the Booking here, back with another video. And haven't made many haul videos in a long time, so I decided to bring them back. So I went to Goodwill and thrift, and so I wanted to show you what I got. So let's start with the stuff I got at Goodwill. I got this cute little Igor from Winnie the Pooh. They're super cute, so I decided why not. Next up, I got this emoji. Cute. I got this cute little astronaut. From 1997, I think. Yeah, 1997. Looking cute and cool. Last but not least, I got Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Now, I already have all the Harry Potter books, but I mean, I saw it in hardcover and it was only $3 and it was in good condition, so I decided why not. Got it anyway. I'm so funny. Okay, next up, I went to thrift. So let me show you what I got. First off, I got Mac from How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Looking cute. I found it for $1, so I decided why not. Next, I found this bear. I think I'm gonna do something with it in my Nintendo School series. It's gonna be a coach. Going up, we got tell me in the comments if you've seen the first Harry Potter movie, Sorcerer's Stone. Tell me if you've seen the movie, but these are the chess pieces from the movie. Looking cool. Looking pretty cool. So I already got 2 Harry Potter things. And I also found this bag. Decided why not, since I had a red from the Angry Birds. And yeah, that's about it, other than my ticket. Get out of here. Well, let's unbox. So it comes with this little monkey. I think I know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm not gonna tell y'all. Well, maybe I am. Okay, I think I'm gonna give it to someone, but I don't know who. But it's a cute little monkey, and what y'all been waiting for, the Angry Bird. So yeah, it's going to be in my Nintendo School series. Angry Bird. Angry Bird. Oh my gosh, it even makes noise. It makes noise, guys. Man. Awesome. Oh, that was awesome. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and as always, stay awesome and cut.